Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the fob battery in a Ford Expedition key fob that looks like this. Expedition, I can spell. It's a more modern smart key fob battery, and the first thing I want to do is on the front side is to press this button at the top and remove the internal valet key. Now once you've done that, flip the fob over, and you can see there's kind of this backing here, and we need to pop this off essentially. And there's 2 points right here in the back where you can get some leverage, and if you have a flathead screwdriver that works. So you can actually just take the valet key and get underneath these points here, and you'll be able to pop off this backing like that. Now that gives you access to the internal battery that we need to change. It's a CR2450. It's kind of a larger coin key battery. And to pop this guy out, there's a little spot right here, kind of about a 11 o'clock, if you were looking at the battery like this. And you can get underneath that and you can pop out this internal CR2450 battery. Just grab a new one. Make sure the positive side is facing towards you here. The positive side has the lettering. Pop a new one in, and then when you're putting this back here, just notice this notch at the bottom. Make sure and place that notch in first, and then the rest will kind of snap back into place easily. Go ahead and put the valet key back in, and boom, that's how you change the battery on Ford Expedition. And this is kind of more modern fob used from 2018 on, and again, it's a CR2450 battery that you'll need. Thanks.